Everybody quiet? Anybody planning on using us, get on national TV, and jump in the portal? We're gonna get that out of the way right now. Because I'd rather you go instead of trying to use us to jump in the portal after you play on national television. Anybody? Going once? Anybody? You know if I'm saying this already know. You do know that, right? Anybody going once? Going twice? Got you.
Let's go, let's go. Get loose. Get loose, get loose.
I try to remember to take that out.
Huh?
I said I try to remember
Leave
to
it
take
in
that
there.
out.
Leave it in there. See, a burp is a natural occurrence. You know, so anytime you burp, just make sure it's a strong burp.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It gotta be a strong burp. Really, it can't just be one of them fake burps. Man, my size come out with a weak burp. A weak burp, y'all gonna be looking at me crazy. So, and I am who I am.
It is.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Jay Mack from Syracuse, New York, man, came all the way out to see my Colorado Buffs.
What channel do you watch? They brought you out here.
The pregame show.
Never watched the college game till last season when Coach Prime came to Colorado. And I am in Colorado at Folsom Field. I am the Colorado Buffaloes auntie from Texas. Sweet treat.
Hey, I've been following the pregame show. It's all about let's go Buffs.
Way from Texas. Yes, sir. Watch you every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the pregame show.
Neely, pregame show behind the scenes of everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You trying to put your up on game. No, we're not gonna do grades. Grades so bad. We ain't doing that right. You got some numbers?
No, you just said something about Pacific.
Yeah. Now go ahead. Go ahead and do that. I pulled a couple plays up, but I want them to see what I want because we're gonna get what I want today. We're gonna be out there all day.
Right. This is why we do it. You're the cover two corner. Congratulations, right? So your job is to get the ball back. The first guy that can influence the play is obviously 44 here. I think this is good, right? I read screen, I'm coming flat down the line with my hair on fire, right? The challenge for that guy is to take the extra step. Prime talks about it all the time. You don't want this, right, in the open field. So we are whizzing by. They should feel you, and you should end up 5 yards deep on the track, right? Then it goes to 41 here, right? Here's our force player. Here's our point player. Dre had great presentation yesterday on block destruction, how we get off blocks, right?
You telling us defense. Offense, we ain't got to y'all yet. You telling us you can't be who you are because of opposition. Because the only difference was the opposition. Because when the opposition's not on the field, we see what, Lem Tarzan? Right? But when the opposition got on the field, we see three. And they James. So what you're saying to me is when there's opposition against you, you can't be who you want to be. That means we got the wrong guys in this room. Because when there's no opposition, you got to the ball, you flew to the ball, you full speed, you was out there, you was killers. But when you have opposition, what's wrong? Bars, the way you just read, bunch of good content, good content, good biblical stories. And I found a lot of biblical characters were known for their infirmity. What I mean by they had guys or ladies called a gentleman, blind Bartimaeus. It's not fair, it's not right. But he was known from his infirmity. Blind, why would you call a man blind Bartimaeus? You know he can't see, but that ain't right. The woman with the issue of blood, they identified her issue. She was bleeding 12 long years. The lame man is sat by the pool of Bethesda, right? Lame man. It talked about the infirmities, and that's not cool. Even when I grew up in high school, we had young men who had a different lifestyle, thank you, sir, different lifestyle. And we entitled them by the lifestyle, and that wasn't right. It was very unfair to them. But I'm sitting up and thinking about y'all. If you were known by your shortcoming, what would that be? What would they call you? What would they call you? The guy that don't block? Quarterback that can't throw? The linebacker that can't read? Cornerback that can't cover? Punter that can't punt? Snapper that can't snap? What would they call you if you were known by your infirmity? Who would you be? Think about that. If it was like that today, the father that won't go home, the woman that refused to cook, the woman that's so broken that she can't love, the man that's crippled by his past, who would you be? The thing about all these biblical characters, sooner or later they had to make it to Jesus. For him, for help, for restoration. And I really do feel like God has put most of you in a wonderful place. Some of y'all are lost and still trying to find your way through. But I really feel like 95% of y'all are in the right place. The right time, the right people, the right support, but you gotta have the right attitude. Because some of y'all are delusional. And what's gonna happen, the 5% is gonna go elsewhere. And you're gonna get there and you're gonna say, hey, you're gonna look back over your shoulders. I really had it good there. Dang, they really cared about me. They really had love. Dang, that coach really cared. That coach really, he really knew what he was talking about. Dang, they really fed me, right? The ladies really showed me love. They really mothered me. They blessed me. They really guided me. They kept me. They encouraged me. They motivated me. They really cared. What would you be known for? What would your name be? What would your name be, Rob? What would your name be, Cash? Yo, what would your name be? Defense. President defensive line. What would your name be? What would you be? Guy that don't want to do his schoolwork? The lineman that ain't disciplined? The DB that don't really want it all? Think he's working, but he ain't? Who would you be? Guys, you only get there into one opportunity. Your dream. You gotta make it count. You gotta make it happen. But I'm telling you, you do not want to be idle. Because all those guys that's standing up and all these wonderful ladies, we all know somebody that had it up to them. And they messed it up. We're gonna work our butts off today. What's the schedule? Now we're gonna change it anyway. We're gonna work our butts off today. We're not gonna be out there long. But I promise you, what we showed in that pursuit, that's what we're gonna see on every snap. Do we understand that?
Yes, sir.
And those of you that ain't made that decision and think you're gonna win us and go out there on Saturday, I got a surprise for you. God bless you. It'd be good.
It's 35.
No.
I say 26 tops.
Oh, he ain't gonna make it, man. He's doing too much talking.
Yeah. I don't see this
He's
happening.
doing too much talking.
I don't see this happening.
Yeah, he ain't gonna make it. He ain't gonna make it. You get to 35.
Oh my God! Matter of fact, double it. Over 40. That right there?
That's why I think if you get bigger, stronger assistants, you can throw it, and then you direct traffic.
Jock, I hate to break it to you, but had you not hit the air conditioner, it wasn't gonna make it.
I need that video.
I got you.
He's going back with that.
Maybe. So you're saying it was good that I hit the?
Yeah, because it wasn't gonna make it.
Yeah. No, it was good.
No.
It just hit the.
No, Jock, it wasn't gonna make it.
I saw the trajectory. It was good.
Centers, quarterbacks. Let's go.
Centers, quarterbacks. Let's go. Line up. Here we go. I might be able to beat you today the way you looking. Here we go. Yeah, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Where's it? You got it. Wearing your helmet today, right?
What's that?
Wearing your helmet?
Oh yeah, I got yeah.
Come here. Why you think we did that? Why you think we did that? Feet together, hang your hands. Ready. Let's go. Good job. Relax. Right over left. Let's go now. Let's go. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Good job. Relax. Switch it up. Let's go now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Stretch it out. Hey, let's fly around today. Now. Let's fly around. Let's fly around. Good job. Relax. Legs wide apart. Down the middle. Come on. Hey. 13.
Nice 7. Here we go, brother. Yes, sir. Put on tape. Let's go. Let's go. Let's have a hell of a day. What's good? Let's do it.
Good job. Relax. Back it down. Left foot behind.
We're blocking 95 all day.
I like the silence. I like the silence. They like elevator music. We ain't even listening to that. We're not listening to that.
Good job. Relax. Ain't that shit with that. Let's go, baby.
Come on.
Dude, how do y'all talk about this sink like this is a great place to eat? If you ever,
The sink sucks.
sucks.
That's insane.
Dude,
I don't know
dude,
no one that's
first of
ever
all,
had bad meals.
the sliders are excellent. The burger is just a high school cafeteria.
Yeah.
It's perfectly round.
Sink
It's perfectly
sucks.
smooth.
Sink
Y'all
sucks.
lost y'all damn mind.
Y'all need to come south. What kind of line is this, Sal?
I don't know.
What kind of line is
yeah,
this?
y'all, okay. Let's straighten up your line, y'all. Okay, that's better. Y'all took it out the middle. Okay, all right. Hey, coach, let's go. Let's straighten this up. There it is. There we go. Good job, Juju. You set the pace behind it. You know that, right?
Here we go.
Son of
Let's
a
go.
bitch.
We go.
I hate my receivers. They have it right, but that red line helps them.
Look at him.
They got a
Look at
red
him.
line.
You wanted to correct something? We already straight over here.
I ain't correct.
We already straight over here.
I come to check.
We already, yeah.
I come to check.
Okay.
I come to check. Make sure we on court. We got to start somewhere.
Fellas, we're starting out with special teams, and we're going to go to offense, defense, but everything is going to be full speed. You got that?
Sure.
Already messed up the last practice, not going full speed. We going everything today full speed. You only have so many plays, you only out here so long. And if you do really good, I'll even cut that down. But we're going full speed today. Good. What we look like in that pursuit drill, it's going to be every play. Offensively and defensively. We got that. Yes, sir. Special teams, start it. Start it out for us. Set the tempo for us. We good with that? Sure. 4-3. Let's go. You got it, man.
Hey, come on, kid. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, work y'all's ass out today. Work on 2-1-2.
It'll be the 5, right?
Beautiful, boys. Beautiful, beautiful. Gold KOR, be ready. Gold KOR, be ready. Is this kickoff or
Let's kick off right here. You got it. Let's kick off right. You got it. 5, 5, yeah, 5. Yeah. Come on, dude.
We're going black KOR after this gold kickoff return on the launch pad.
This is kickoff right here.
Yes, this is kickoff. Next, we're going kickoff return.
let's go full speed. Hey, make sure we're going full speed, all right? Make sure we're going full speed today, all right? Take advantage of the reps.
Black Taylor! Black Taylor! Gold Taylor! Gold
Hey, man. We got too much shit that we you would have run for about 60 yards, man. You're playing man against in 3rd and 1, a quick breakout, and you go for a fucking touchdown. Now we get a bad result. Come on now. We gotta capitalize on this shit. Negative shit. We gotta understand what we're doing. On 3rd down, we can't lose that down, all right? So by any means, it can't be because of us on 3rd down, all right? And then with the snap count, we watch the ball automatically, okay? I don't care if we going 1st down or whatever the heck we going, all right? Key to football, okay? We good on that? We take care of that, then we up. You feel me? We take care of the little things, then we can ball and play how we normally play football, all right? Ain't nobody down our talent out here. Ain't nobody down can we make plays. We can make plays, but what can we do before we make the play, all right? Let's take care of that. That junk over with now. Erase it, it's done with, over with. Let's move forward, all right? Now we finna come back out, we finna get on their butt, and we finna go ahead and celebrate in the end zone. You ready for that? If you can, you ready to do that? All right, shake that junk off. We ain't in high school no more. That junk out the way. We gonna yell any freaking way, all right? And now what you gonna do with it now, all right? You come back, go score a touchdown, throw the ball in my face and say, all right, now look what you did, coach. That's what I want to see, all right? Let's go.
That's me on the outside, boys. Hey, finish on me, finish on 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes.
What you doing, Mario?
He's got to be underneath you on the wide drums. Lunch right wide drums, so I thought you were in good shape. It's a lead shallow. He's got good.
That was a good job on the C gap, man. I see you got your hands on that guy. I was trying to get it. Yeah. Just keep driving, man.
All right, let's go. Let's get a break. Let's go.
Execute on 3. Compete!
Run it back. Run it back.
You want it? You want it? Come on.
Compete on 3. 1, 2, 3. Compete.
All right, here we go.
That can prevent you from playing in this scrimmage on Saturday. Mind you, I told some of the defense, whole country's gonna see. I'm not trying to tell you to run to the ball and do all the stuff just for us. I want that to benefit us, but that's gonna look bad on you. Those of you that have been here, you understand how much they give you love, how much you receive hate. You go out there and get your butt towed up out there on Saturday and go in there and check your phone if you want to. We're gonna have to put you in the mental health. I promise you. Some of y'all know that you know. The rest of y'all don't understand. These lights are bright. They cause you to shine, but they can burn you like hell. You understand?
Yes, sir.
These lights are bright. We're gonna be on national television. Put on for your family. Put on for the name in the front and the name in the back. You deserve that. Proud of y'all. Today was a really good practice. Why can't we do that every day? Why can't we get to the ball and have a sense of urgency and passion? Because that's what they want. That's what they want. How many of y'all came to Pro Day? Is anybody local? Why?
32 teams.
So what's the difference between that day and this day? Because if you ball out on this day, you're going to get an opportunity to ball out on that day. But if you don't, you won't. You're going to have to learn to kill yourself just to get noticed. It's real, fellas. I'm proud of y'all. Let's go out there and have a wonderful day. Let me see. Let me break it down on somebody that ain't getting in the portal. That already knows. Let me see.
You know I'm still.
Let me see. Carter got offered a bag. What Carter at? What's the school? What's the school offer you the bag? Virginia. Virginia. What my camera at? Where you at? What my camera? Virginia, you gotta stop. I let you have one.
You told me I let you have one.
Come on, man.
Virginia, we're coming for you.
I ain't say nothing about it. And it's another brother. Wow. Fellas. Yeah, it's another brother.
Every brother ain't from the same.
Hey, man, it's another brother. We call him out. I want that to put that on right after practice, all right? I want that quick. And I'm not lying. Send a contract, too. You're dumb enough to send a contract with a kid. You can't send a kid a contract. You know what the kid gonna do? He gonna show the contract, right? That's what y'all do. All right, fellas, let's go out there and have a good day. Let me see who balled out today. Hey, Coach, who balled out today in practice today? Who? Cole. Well, Q, yeah, where Q at? Oh, Q?
Come on. Hey, dumb shit on me, dumb shit on 3. 1, 2, 3.
So where y'all from?
We up from Miami, Florida.
All the way from Miami.
All the way from Miami.
Appreciate y'all coming, man.
Hey, man, we love what you guys are doing, man. We want to support you in every way.
Appreciate your family.
And we're recruiting at home. Everything we see at home, we bring it this way.
My man.
You gotta believe. Dude, we've been believing since day one,
That's
dog.
why I gave them to
Remember
you.
back in Jackson State? We've been believing with you in the pregame show.